Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to replace a bathroom exhaust fan motor and the part, I think it's called an impeller, but it looks like, like a fan attachment, and that's the part that goes on the motor. Because the cutout of where my kids' bathroom exhaust fan, vent fan is, it made it a little bit hard to find a new housing, but I wanted to show you guys because this motor is old. It's original to the house. It's been in here since 2005, and my kids' bathroom doesn't have any windows, and they take very long, hot showers, which was causing water to just kind of sit on the walls and grow black mold like that. So it was time for me to remove the old fan, the old motor, and the fan attachment. You can buy just the motor and just the fan. It's super cheap. It's like $25. But because my local hardware store was running low on that, I couldn't get that. So I had to buy the whole thing. So with the housing and everything, the new housing could not fit in the cutout. So what I had to do was take off the old motor, the old fan, and take it off of the new one and put it onto the old housing. This metal part here, this is like the old housing. So I had my husband help me take the fan off because I was getting frustrated. When I get frustrated, I kind of lose patience. So I had my husband help me pull that off. So I cleaned it off and took off the new motor from the new housing, which I wish I could have used this, but it is about 2 inches or inch and a half too big for the opening in the ceiling. So had to take it off. You use a star-headed screwdriver for this. You can find a cheap screwdriver set at like a Harbor Freight or something like that. And you take everything off and put it back in the same order that you took it out, okay? So remember the order that you took everything out with, if you have to do what I'm doing, and put it back in the same order, okay? When you buy just the motor and the fan, you kind of pretty much just take out the old one, put in the new one. But because I had to take this whole thing apart, I had to kind of separate everything and put all the parts together, okay, in different spots. It was a little frustrating. But I remembered all the parts and everything. So I just put everything in order to put it right back, okay? So again, I'm removing a brand new motor and fan from a new exhaust fan kit that I bought for my bathroom because I couldn't just buy just the motor and the fan because my hardware store didn't have any in stock at the time. I've noticed this has been happening a lot where things kind of go out of stock that you need, and it just is what it is. So you just have to kind of improvise and just, maybe pay a couple of extra bucks. The whole thing together was like $32, which wasn't too bad. I thought this was going to be like $50 or something, but probably if I had this installed by like a plumber or an electrician or whatever, I definitely would have been paying a lot more than $32, okay? So like I said, all I'm doing is taking out the new motor and putting it into the old housing, which you saw that I cleaned off, and putting everything back in its order and screwing it back into place, okay? And it's really not hard to do. Like I said, you can get yourself a cute little screw set. And I say cute little screw set. This is mostly aimed at women that feel intimidated by trying to do things for themselves. Practice makes perfect. I feel as though if you tackle one little project by yourself and you build a little confidence and you can see that, I can actually do this, I feel like you can do it. If you feel scared or concerned that you may mess something up, don't do it, okay? And by the way, if I didn't mention, take the electricity off in the bathroom before doing this. Even though this has a plug, just to be on the safe side, take the electricity off to the bathroom, okay? So now that I put everything back together, I checked, make sure the fan is spinning, everything is working. I pop that back into the ceiling. It has these little kind of like brackets, clips that pop into place, okay? And it just keeps it secure in the ceiling. Plug that back in. I had to run down into the basement. I don't know where I went. I went somewhere and put the electricity back on to the bathroom. And then I had my husband turn the fan on to see if it came on.
It's good. It's good. It's strong.
And before you get a new vent fan, make sure you check the CFM rating. That is basically the cubic feet per minute. I'm sorry about that. CFM, cubic feet per minute. That is the rating. So that's what it stands for. If you see 50 CFM is 50 cubic feet per minute. All my bathroom, the older fans were 50, and I upgraded them to higher ones. Depending on the size of your bathroom, you will do the square footage of your bathroom, do a little bit of math, and then you'll find the correct one for your situation, okay? But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye.